So hey folks, if you didn't guess already, the grapple that I decided to get from GoodWorks Tractor is the Westendorf Brush Crusher BC4215. What we're going to do today is we're going to pop it open. As you can see, it comes very well crated. GoodWorks Tractor does a good job. They gave me a nice fair price compared to what some of the local folks were looking at. The local folks in my area didn't have any in stock, and they were about $500 more than what Courtney over at GoodWorks Tractor wanted for this particular unit. I always look to Courtney to begin with anyways. He always has a great deal on attachments, and he's got great deals on tractors. He gets a lot of very high quality used tractors in, and when the day comes that I ever decide that I may want to upgrade my 1025R to a 2 or a 3 series, I'm definitely going to reach out to him. But anyways, let's pop this open and let's see what it takes to put it together today. And like I say, reach out to Courtney at GoodWorks Tractors. He's not sponsoring this or anything. I've just followed his channel for a long time, watched him grow. He's doing a great job, and he's definitely the guy to go to if you're looking for something like this. I think he's probably going to beat just about anybody else on these kind of attachments. So good job, Courtney. Appreciate it. Let's pop this puppy open. Okay, after taking a few minutes and reading the instructions, the first thing I did was open up the package of nuts and bolts and bushings and dump that into a little cardboard top so that I can be able to sort through them and start on the assembly. So the first thing they want you to do is put the arm stop on the lower tooth. Okay, after putting the stop on the lower set of tines, the next thing that they want you to do is they want you to bolt the upper tine to the lower tine for each side of the tractor. And obviously these things are really heavy, so there's no way in the world if I bolted these together would I be able to lift that up on the tractor. So I think it's time for me to move this pallet out of the way and maybe drop my bucket and hang the top tine off the tractor on each side, and then I should be able to lift that up and down just about at the right spot so I can bolt everything together. We're going to give that a try. So we got it together this afternoon. It's gotten late though. It's 5:30, quarter to 6, and I got to knock off for the night. I still got to feed the donkeys and get things situated so we can buckle things up. It gets dark early now. So it's going to have to be another day for us to test this out, see how it operates. I didn't even have time to get all the shrink wrap off of it. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to tune in a few weeks and we'll check it out, see how it works. But in the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. God bless you till the next time we see you, folks.